welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Marissa Ray. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. First of all, you already know the hair is looking real good, honey. So go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from moi. Today, I'm bringing y'all a butterfly lock tutorial. This is my first time ever attempting to do this style. I got little edges laid, you feel me? The locks are locked. They are totally butterflied. I just absolutely love this look. I think it turned out great, y'all. And it took me about 10 hours. The braiding took longer than the actual wrapping. That's pretty much it, y'all. Now, let's go ahead and get to the products and the tools that you're gonna need for this video. Okay, first things first, I'm using the Freetress braid, the Waterwave hair in 22 inches, the color 2 to wrap my faux locks. I'm using Shine and Jam, of course, some rubber bands, a crochet needle, you know, with the little latch at the end, a pair of scissors, some hair clips, all different kinds, a rat tail comb, some got to be glued spray, my Jamaican black castor oil always to oil my scalp, and some Eco Styler gel. So that's everything you're gonna need to achieve this look. If y'all ready to get going and see how this style came to be, honey, just keep on watching. So I'm about to do these last 3 braids that I have. I did section my hair into 37 braids and I did bigger sections in the back so that the locks wouldn't be so full in my head. And another thing, my natural hair is definitely way longer than these faux locks. So to get my natural hair shorter, I folded my braid and then I put a rubber band at the end of my braids to secure it in the back so that all my locks would be the same length and obviously not as long as my natural hair. So what I'm about to do is just apply some of that Shine and Jam to the ends of my hair, the ends of the braid, and also the root of my braid. And now I'm about to section, well, not really section, but fluff out the Waterwave hair. And you want to fluff out the Waterwave hair so that while you're locking it and wrapping the hair around your braid to create the lock, it's obviously fluffier and it's more, you know, gives it that messy butterfly look. So what I'm doing here is putting 2 pieces of the Waterwave hair that I separated, putting 2 pieces together, and I made one side kind of shorter than the other. Now I'm about to take my crochet needle and I'm going to stick the crochet needle. Well, first of all, you want to open it, make sure it's open, and then put the crochet needle through the root of your hair. Once you put the crochet needle through the root of your hair, you get those 2 pieces of fluffed out hair and you wrap them around your pointer and thumb fingers so that you can attach the crochet hair to the crochet needle, okay? And then after you do that, you just lock that latch, you flip it back to close it, and then you pull the crochet needle through. You do want to be careful when doing this process so that the hair doesn't get all knotted and tangled and all that. You're going to end up having one side longer than the other. So the side that you're going to wrap with is actually longer than the side that's going to stay with your braid, and then you wrap around that. And what you do is you want to wrap around the root of the braid a good 4 to 5 times is pretty much what I did. And make sure your hand is like secure on it, but you're not wrapping too tight, because the more you wrap, it's going to get tighter at your root. Naturally, your hair is just going to twist. So you want to make sure you're holding your braid securely while wrapping the root of your hair, but not too tight to where you're like, you know, putting too much tension on your scalp. And as you keep wrapping, you just do the same thing all the way down. But eventually, like right here, I put my thumb in between where I'm wrapping so that it can create the butterfly look. This is what you're going to do throughout the whole entire lock and throughout your whole entire head. You just keep putting your thumb in the middle of like while you're wrapping so that you create the little bulge and the little hole, and you just pull that hair out. And don't like wrap over it, but keep it out so that it creates a little loop, and there you have your butterfly locks. So I'm just going to do that all the way down. Once I get to the end, I will show you how I wrap it up as well. So I pretty much just wrapped all the way down till there wasn't any more of the other piece of hair left, or you know, all the way to the end of my braid. And to end the lock, I'm going to continue wrapping, but I'm going to flip that hair up. So I'm literally just going to create a little loop around my finger, and I'm going to continue wrapping the same exact direction that I wrapped it down. I'm going to wrap it up the same way, just by creating the loop and then go ahead and wrap it back up. Okay, very easy, not very difficult at all. But once you get to the end, you continue wrapping it and doing just that way. And then I'm going to use that Got2b spray to go ahead and help secure the lock so that the hair does not like unravel. So I'm just going to spray it like I did, and then I'm going to palm roll it through my hands so that I can make sure the lock is very secure. And yeah, that's how you complete your faux lock. I'm just going to let y'all watch how I do these last 2 braids in my head, or last 2 locks in my head. Same exact steps. And by the way, I didn't have to like add the rubber band. Like I mentioned earlier, I put the rubber band on the back of my hair to make my hair shorter, like by flipping my braid up. I didn't have to do that in the front because the front of my hair is shorter since it's layered. So I just literally just wrapped all the way down my braid, just had a plait and wrapped it all the way down. And remember to put your thumb in the way of you wrapping so that you can create those little loops like I just did. Just do that all the way down your lock as many times as you want. A few of your locks are not going to look the same, of course. All of them are not going to look the same, actually. And you can make them as distressed as you want. I really like how mine turned out. I didn't make them like too many like loops and locks and all that. I didn't put too many of them to where it just looks like a entire loopy mess, but I did enough to where, you know, it looks a little bit distressed and all that, and I preferred it that way. So yeah, like I said, I'm just gonna let you guys watch how I do this, and y'all gonna see the finished look. And now that it's all done, I'm just playing around with different styles that I can do, you know, different ways I can wear these locks. I don't know, they look so good when they was fresh. I might end up doing these again. They're so cute. So cute. I don't know. We'll see, but I hope you guys liked how they turned out. I love them.
Alright y'all, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me achieve this beautiful hairstyle. I hope it was very easy for you to follow along with. I tried to be as thorough as possible and include as many details as possible so that y'all know exactly how to achieve this style at home. And by the way, everything that I may have forgotten to mention just now will be down below in the description as well. Like all the products, the hair, how long it took me, all of that will be included in the description. So if
if you need more details, make sure you check that out, or also comment and I will respond back to your comment, okay? Again, if y'all liked this video and love this hairstyle, make sure you go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Comment down below some other styles that you may like me to do for this summer. Follow me on Instagram at marissa.w. It'll be here on the screen as well as down below in the description box. With all that being said, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in my next video, baby. Mwah. Bye.